उन्हनि जे एवज़ीअ जे हैसियत में तव्हां हिकिड़ी सौगात खणी आयो आहियां। उहा सौगात आहे मुंहिंजे सिंधी समाज जी तव्हांजे लाइ आरज़ू, तव्हांजे लाइ दुआ त जिते बि हुजो उते वधंदा रहो, दुनिया जा सभु लुत्फ़ चङी तरह माणियो ऐं जेको ही मुश्किल कमु तव्हां हथ में खयो आहे त सिंधियत खे क़ाइमु रखिणो आहे, सिंधियत खे ज़िंदह रखिणो आहे, इन्हीअ में तव्हांखे पूरी सफलता मिले। इहा सौगात सिंधी समाज जी मां तव्हां वटि खणी तव्हांजी झोलीअ में रखणु थो चाहियां ऐं उमेदु आहे त इहा सौगात तव्हां क़बूल कंदा। दोस्तो, मुझे मक़सद में घणियूं ॻाल्हियूं दोस्त चयूं, पर मूंखे हिकिड़ी शिकायत आहे, मुंहिंजी पूरी सुञाणप कान थी। मां पंहिंजी सुञाणप पाण थो करणु थो चाहियां। मुंहिंजी वॾे में वॾी सुञाणप इहा आहे त जेतोणीक मूंखे हालतुनि पाकिस्तान मां कढी हिंदुस्तान जे हिकु रेफ्यूजी कैंप में ज़िंदगी शुरू करणी पई, तॾहिं मुंहिंजे खून में कावड़, का बि गुस्सो, का बि इंतकाम जो ख़्यालु कॾहिं कोन आयो। ऐं मां उन्हनि माण्हुनि मां आहियां जॾहिं मां उन शरणार्थी कैंप में रहियल हुउसि त मूं हिकिड़ो दृढ़ वीचार कयो हो, पाण खां फ़ैसिलो कयो हो त जेकॾहिं हिंदुस्तान ऐं पाकिस्तान पाण में एतिरा दोस्त न थींदा जो हिक ॿिए खे पाण खे थापर में पकिड़े, प्यार ऐं मोहबत जे थापर में पकिड़े जेकॾहिं गुज़ारण न कंदा त ॿई मुल्क बर्बाद थी वेंदा। इन मौक़ो में इरादे सां मां पंहिंजी ज़िंदगी हिंदुस्तान में हलाई आहे ऐं मां इहा दावा करणु थो चाहियां, जेका दावा शायदि ताईं क़बूल कंदा, त हिंदुस्तान में पाकिस्तान खे मूंखां वधीक ॿियो को दोस्त न आहे। I am not a man of religion. हर कंहिंखे अधिकार आहे, हर कंहिंखे हक़ आहे जंहिं मज़हब जो पोइलग आहे, बेशक उहो पंहिंजे मज़हब जे पुठियां हले ऐं मज़हब खे वधाए। He should profess it, practice it, and even propagate it. That is the constitutional right which I accept. I respect all religions. I respect all men of religion. But I am free to confess that in my opinion, religion has a very negative balance sheet. I don't think it is a great exaggeration if I say that all the ships of all the navies of the world can swim comfortably in the ocean of innocent blood which has been shared in the name of religion throughout the history of mankind. While I respect other people's religion, I have evolved my own one-line religion. And my one-line religion is that make as many people happy as you can while you live. I am a student of all religions, and particularly the religion of Islam. I believe that every religion has a core, its essence, At Purch Jagacheje, I understand the essence of Islam perhaps differently from most Muslims do. I believe that the Prophet of Islam was the greatest prophet because he is the one prophet who told his followers that the ink of the scholar is more valuable than the blood of a martyr. When the angel of God visited him in his dream, he told him, read, read, read. The prophet said, but I can't read. He said, no, read, read, read. And ladies and gentlemen, the prophet understood that this was a command of God, that at least I must ask my followers to read. That is precisely what he did. Muslims rose from one height to a greater height when they followed the teaching of the Prophet. It is said that in ancient times there were 36 public libraries in the city of Baghdad alone. A Muslim divine was invited by the Khalifa to go and live in his palace. He declined the offer. When the Khalifa asked, but why not? I give you all the conveniences to pursue your scholarship. Come and write, come and read. Oh, he said, sir, no, I won't come. Why? He says, I require 400 camels to transport my books. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Islam at its height. And there is no other prophet of any religion who told his followers that please think that you have to become scholars. Go in search of knowledge. When you go in search of knowledge, you walk in the path of God. It's a tragedy. It's a tragedy that Muslims, and I say it with all the love and affection which I have for my Muslim friends, that Muslims forgot the teaching of the Prophet. Islam and Muslims of the world civilized Europe. You brought Europe out of the darkness in which it has plunged. But I have often asked my Muslim friends, please tell me, have you understood the mystery? Why is it that you became the slaves of those whom you civilized? You gave them the light of knowledge, and yet they went forward and captivated practically the whole world of Islam. Leave a few nations aside. Ladies and gentlemen, the tragedy has been that Muslims ultimately decided to burn books. In the 12th century, you burned the books of Avicenna. After 40 years, you burned the books of Averroes. The study of philosophy became a crime punishable in some countries. And ever since then, ladies and gentlemen, Islam has not risen to the glory which it rightly deserves and rightly belongs. So, ladies and gentlemen, I heard some speeches this morning in the first session, before this session. Somebody used the expression कि पाकिस्तान में या सिंध में तालीम की तबाही हुई. That is the tragedy, ladies and gentlemen. No democracy can survive without education. Democracy without education is hypocrisy without limitation. But ladies